Robots have been around for centuries, but their capabilities have grown exponentially in the last decade. From humanoid robots in Japan to robotic surgeons in the US, robots are used for various tasks and are becoming increasingly commonplace in society. As technology advances, so does the cost of these machines. Today's video will examine the world's most expensive robots. Let's get started. Before we get all wired in, make sure you don't miss out on any artificial intelligence news and subscribe to the channel. With superior artificial intelligence comes big price tags. Here are the 8 most expensive robots in the world, starting with the cheapest one. Number 8. Little Sophia, $200. Little Sophia is the newest member of the Hanson Robotics family and is Sophia's younger sister. She is your robot companion and is 14 inches tall. She makes learning STEM coding and AI for children 8 and older a pleasant experience. Like her older sister, Little Sophia can walk, talk, sing, play games, and even crack jokes. She's a programmable educational toy encouraging youngsters to learn about coding, artificial intelligence, science, technology, engineering, and math through a secure interactive human-robot experience. Young kids are strongly motivated to spend time learning with her because she provides high-quality educational and fun experiences. Little Sophia's interactions with users center on teaching new information and sharing stories. She shares Sophia, the robot's lovable personality. She also has a certain sense of playfulness and is quite curious. She can produce many human facial emotions and is the only consumer robot with a human-like face. She actively participates in conversations in addition to obeying commands. Thanks to her humanoid form and outstanding response, Little Sophia is a clever educational companion. Prices begin at $200 and it's available for purchase and is currently being used in educational programs in countries around the world. Is only a small amount compared to the robot at number 1, which we'll get to later in the video. Number 7. Amelia the Conversational AI, $1,800 a month. Amelia is an artificial intelligence or AI platform designed to help businesses automate customer service, sales, and marketing tasks. Developed by IPsoft, Amelia uses natural language processing or NLP and machine learning or ML capabilities to respond to customer queries, automatically resolve customer issues, and provide predictive analytics. The platform is powered by AI algorithms and cognitive computing capabilities, enabling it to understand and respond to human conversations and learn from interactions and experiences. Apart from the familiar tug-of-war of the Pictionary game on Fun Fridays, you can win any mission with Amelia on your team. The cost for up to 1,000 monthly queries for this company's digital employees, including the HR coordinator, customer care coordinator, network administrator, and IT support desk engineer. Number 6. Whitney Cummings Bot, $99,000. The Whitney Bot is a humanoid robot created to resemble comedian Whitney Cummings in appearance, speech, and behavior. It's capable of speaking, cracking jokes, and providing responses. The robot's personality is designed to be cheerful and funny, reflecting Cummings' sense of humor. A natural language processing system powered by AI is also included inside the robot, enabling it to understand various instructions and queries. It can also recognize and communicate with individuals thanks to its speech and facial recognition features. The Whitney Bot has a variety of sensors, including cameras and microphones, that enable it to communicate with its surroundings. Moreover, it can navigate its environment by combining GPS and computer vision. In her brand new Netflix comedy show, Whitney Cummings presented an adult robot doppelganger on stage to scare us all. The doll firm that made it disclosed that it was sold for an outstanding $100,000. Number 5. Junko Chihira, $1 million. Junko Chihira is known to be the best service humanoid robot. Junko Chihira is a 2015 humanoid robot created by Toshiba. The robot's real face and body were made to resemble a young Japanese woman. It was designed to have casual and conversational interactions with people. The robot can recognize the names and faces of individuals it meets, understand spoken language, and respond to gestures. It can chat casually, share tales, and even compete with others. It can detect and correctly respond to emotions. Junko Chihira frequently comes in first place on list of Toshiba's most gorgeous humanoid female robots. She works at a brand new tourist information office in Japan and has a highly realistic appearance for an android. Junko is a multi-talented humanoid robot. She is fluent in English, Chinese, and Japanese. In November of 2015, she made her public debut in the Aqua City Odaiba shopping center on Tokyo's waterfront. Before that, she greeted guests as they entered the building. She does, however, now give visitors information about local activities. Junko is a Toshiba android that replaces Aiko Chihira, another model. She and 4 other androids were made for 10 million yen, or around $74,000. Only Miss Junko Chihira is presently out in the public, with the others still with their creator. Number 4. Geminoid F, $110,000. The world's most beautiful humanoid female robot, Geminoid F, was developed by Osaka University ATR and Kokoro in 2010. She is a 20-something Japanese woman's android clone. Geminoid F was designed to act and respond like a real human. It can recognize and track human faces and mimic human gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Geminoid F has been used in experiments to explore how human beings interact with robots, and it has been used to study social robotics. On April 3rd of 2010, Japanese roboticist Hiroshi Ishiguro debuted this masterpiece, leaving everyone in awe. Geminoid F is roughly 130 centimeters or 4 feet tall and is made of silicon and metal. Its body is covered in sensors and motors that let it act and gesture like a human and has a realistic human face. It can converse naturally with people because of its speech recognition and synthesis capabilities. With her long black hair and fluctuating facial expressions, Ishiguro's robot, the Geminoid F, shocked onlookers, leaving their mouths wide open. Geminoid F costs $110,000, which, in Ishiguro's opinion, has brought the technology closer to the general public. Number 3. The Amaka Bot, $133,000. A team of engineers from the University of Tokyo created the robot known as Amaka. The robot's identified to be a self-sufficient helper to aid humans in everyday activities. Onboard batteries and an external power source pack work together to power the robot. It can be trained to pick up on new tasks and learn them. It can even be set up to respond to particular voice instructions, which makes it a perfect helper for folks who want help with their daily duties. Amaka, the most sophisticated human-shaped robot in the world and the future face of robotics, is a pioneer in human robotics. It's specifically made to serve as a development platform for the next robotics technologies. She's seen as the ideal humanoid robot platform for interfacing with the humans and robots. Regarding the cost, Amaka is a product of 15 years of development, and one robot costs more than $133,000 to produce. Number 2. Erica Robot by IRL, $200,000. Hiroshi Ishiguro, a professor at Osaka University in Japan, created the humanoid robot Erica. Erica stands for Erato Intelligent Conversational Android. The robot's natural and intuitive interactions with people are part of its design. It's the first robot to carry on a conversation, understands human emotions, and judge based on those feelings. Artificial intelligence, facial recognition, voice recognition, and natural language processing are just a few of the technologies that Erica uses. It's intended to be autonomous, which means it can decide for itself and take independent action. Erica has a humanoid form with a human-like face and body, and Erica makes human-like head movements and blinks while being heard. Its capacity of Erica to identify and respond to human emotions is one of its own remarkable qualities. For example, if it detects a person is angry, it will attempt to calm them down. If Erica were on the market, she would cost more than $200,000. That's a lot for what some may call a glorified chatbot, but many embrace the project. And finally, at number 1, the Asimo Robot, estimated $2.5 million. Asimo is a humanoid robot created by Honda Motor Company. It stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It's the world's most advanced humanoid robot, able to walk, run, climb stairs, recognize faces and voices, and make gestures. Asimo was first unveiled in 2000 and has been continually refined and improved since then. It stands 4.3 feet tall and weighs 115 pounds. It can run at speeds of up to 3.5 miles per hour and climb and descend stairs. Asimo has various sensors, including cameras, microphones, and infrared sensors. The robot can recognize people's face and voice and respond accordingly. It's also capable of recognizing objects and responding to physical gestures. Honda offered a fictitious price of $2.5 million for an Asimo, although none were ever sold. Asimo was more of a side project for Honda, whereas all previous Honda ventures have resulted in revenue. It took 14 years of development until the first generation was introduced in 2000. So that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell us down in the comment section below which robot impressed you the most, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more similar content.